Okay, guys, so we're gonna solve 4 problems. I'm gonna solve 2 for you. So, like, I'm gonna do this first one, then the second one you're gonna do on your own, then the third I'm going to work out for you, and then the fourth one you're going to work on. All right. So let me go back to the first problem. Okay. When you're at any time, actually, you can go ahead and rewind it, pause it, internalize what you have to understand, and then move on. For the ones you have to work on your own, please just pause the video and finish it, and then move on. So Mr. Hernandez deposited $820 in a savings account. He plans to keep it there for 5 years to make some interest. If the account earns 2% simple interest, how much money will he have after 5 years? So first thing I want to do is I want to write the formula, which is interest equals principal times the rate times the time. Okay, the principal, I know it's 820, so I'm going to go ahead and write 820. The rate happens to be 2%. The rate is 2%. I'm going to go ahead and write it as a decimal. Okay, and then it's for 5 years, so the time is 5. Okay, now I'm just going to multiply times each other. I don't have to do it in the order 820 times 0.02 times 5. It works anyways. I'm going to work those two first because it's easier to do. See, 5 times 2, it's 10. Okay, and then since this one has 2 decimals, 2 digits after the decimal point, so I know it has to be right here. All right, so it's 0.10. Now I can just multiply that times 820. So 820 times 0.10, it's the same, and I can do this mentally, but if you do not know how to do it mentally, it's okay. See, 2 zeros, and 1 times 82 is 82, and there's 2 behind the decimal point, so the decimal point will go here. That means that $82 is what this person would earn in interest over 5 years. So the 820 that he put in the bank, it's still there, and we're gonna add 82 that he made from interest. So that's $2, 10 is 902. So at the end of 5 years, he would not just have 820. He would have the 820 plus the 82, which makes it 902. So, okay, I hope, like I said, please rewind it if you need to watch it again. But now I'm going to show you the second one. This one you're going to have to do on your own. Pause it now so you can do it, and then watch the third problem. Pause it. Okay, so here's the third problem. Mr. Rahman borrowed $347 for 2 years, $347 for 2 years at 9% simple interest. He will make no payments and will pay it in full after 2 years. How much will he have to pay in 2 years? Well, obviously, he has to pay the principal, which is $347. But the person that let him borrow the money, of course, wants to make some money, so the rate is 9%, which is in decimal is 0.09. And the time, it's 2 years. We have to do that in years, so it's 2. Now I just got to multiply the principal times the rate times the time. Again, like the previous problem, the 2 right here would probably be easier to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18, right? And since there's 2 behind the decimal point, there's got to be 2 behind the decimal point in the answer, so it's 0.18. Now I have 347, and I need to multiply that times 0.18, 1800s. All right, so that gives me 62.46. Okay, Now, I didn't do it. I mean, I did it in my calculator, but you should be able to do that on your own. So 6246. Now, that is just the interest. He still has to pay the money he borrowed. So we have to add the 347 plus the 6246. So 347 plus this 6246. Okay. And sorry, my fingers. So anyway, so 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay. This will be a 9, 10. So it'll be $409.46. So $409.46 is what he would have to pay after 2 years. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the next problem. You're going to pause it, work it out, and then turn it in. Okay?